Most of us have experienced a particular type of laundry Bermuda Triangle phenomena. 2 socks go in the laundry, but only one comes out. Where that sock went is a mystery, and what to do with the single remaining sock? It's time to be thankful for those lonely leftover socks. This sock turkey is a fabulous cold weather day activity for restless kids. However, if it's a nice day, head outside or into the garage so you don't have to clean up spilled rice. Otherwise, consider covering your table in newspaper that can be thrown away, or towels that you can take outside and shake off. This is also a terrific craft for preschool or elementary school age kiddos, maybe even turkey-loving tweens. Involve friends and neighbors and have a sock turkey-making party. Little hands will need some help putting the rice in the sock and tying off the turkey's body and head, but with supervision, they can cut out the tail feathers and do the gluing themselves. Also, cutting feathers out of foam works great, but you can also use construction paper or fake craft feathers, or even leaves. Since turkeys are rarely alone, make an entire flock for your home. Set these friendly fowl on an entry table, dining table, shelf, or even a table on the porch to welcome friends. The turkeys can hang around your home all fall until it's time for them to leave for warmer weather. Gobble, gobble!